This is the real ChatGPT. It's one of the world's most valuable AI tools, worth over $86 billion. And here's why. What if I told you you could leverage its power and the power of other AI apps to start a lucrative side hustle with no startup costs, no fancy equipment, and zero tech experience? It sounds too good to be true, but stay till the end, and I'll give you the step-by-step blueprint to actually do this. I'm going to take you through exactly how I made a total of 4 figures last month using this strategy, and how you can too. I know what you're thinking. Another clickbait video about AI making you rich. But trust me, this is different. I'm not some overnight success or millionaire influencer. I'm just a dude who leverages technology to help make money online. I created my first automated digital product in 2016, and since then I've built multiple 7-figure businesses online, and I share everything for free on this channel. And let me tell you, no one is talking about this exact strategy anywhere else because it's so new. No more waiting. Let's jump right in. First, you'll pick a profitable skill. This is where you want to pick a service people pay for online. You don't have to personally like the service, just know there's demand for it. Some examples are writing blogs, creating social media content, designing logos, or editing videos. Anything you can think of that someone else is willing to pay for and that you can deliver at scale. Then use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Here's how. Go to Chat, OpenAI, Com, and then type in Generate 20 side hustle ideas for online service, and select whatever skill you chose. For instance, I asked for ideas around writing and got a great list of services I could offer. The best part? You don't need to be good at any of these services yet. You will after we go through step 2. Next, use free AI tools. Now I'm going to show you a powerful free AI toolkit you can use to master any of the skills above. This is a huge value on its own. Just these tools alone have the potential to save you tens of thousands of dollars in hiring costs. First up, ChatGPT. Write anything. Blog posts, scripts, captions, you name it. ChatGPT can help you produce high-quality written content super fast. Next, Canvas Free. Create graphics, logos, social posts, anything visual you can think of. Can do it. I'll show you how later. Third, CapCut. Edit videos like a pro with AI. Powered video editor. Add captions automatically. Fourth, Pexels and Pixabay. Get free stock photos and videos to use in your projects. Lastly, Grammarly Free. Polish your text and make it sound professional in seconds. That's it. Now let me show you how to combine these tools to execute on each of the steps. So now you have a powerful toolkit. It's time to use it. Step 3. Create a portfolio in one day. A portfolio is just a way to showcase your work and attract clients. You don't need to be a web developer to create one. Canva's free portfolio template is perfect. I'll show you how to customize it. Head over to Canva.com and search Portfolio. Select the free portfolio template. Hit Customize. Replace the existing text and images with your own content. Here's how you can do it in minutes. Again, choose whatever skill you're offering. I'm going to walk you through an example using AI-generated art as the service. Start by replacing the sample text with your own. Click on any text box and start typing. Change the sample text to something like, "Welcome to my AI art portfolio." We'll do the same thing for the rest of the boxes. Then head over to ChatGPT and ask for a list of your skills related to the service. Like I'm going to ask for a list of skills for an AI image generator. So now we can add our actual skills to the About Me section. Back on Canva, upload your logo or create one using Canvas Logo Maker. If you're lost, check out my video on how to make a logo for free. Add your logo to the top left corner. Now let's generate some AI art. I'm using Midjourney for this, but there are tons of other free alternatives out there. Once you join Midjourney, run a command to list your images and grab the image IDs. Copy the IDs. Now go back to Canva and replace the sample images with your own. Click the Uploads tab and hit Upload. Choose the images you want to add. Hit Upload. Repeat the process until you have 4 to 6 images. Now add some descriptions of the images. Head back to ChatGPT and ask for a description of each image. Like this. Write a brief description of a futuristic cityscape at sunset, and so on. Copy the descriptions and add them to your Canva project under the corresponding images. To make this look nice, select the text, click Change Style, select a font. Change the color to white, increase the font size, and move the text next to the image. Lastly, add a call to action button. Click Elements, Search button. Select the button element and drag it to the bottom center. Click the button and add your call to action text. Change the button color to something contrasting like orange. Congrats! You now have a simple but effective portfolio website in just one day. All it takes is a few clicks. The key here is to make sure you showcase the best possible work. Don't worry if you're not a designer. Using free AI tools like Canva, you can easily make a beautiful-looking portfolio. All right, now that you have your portfolio, it's time to find clients. Step 4. Find clients for free. There are 3 places you should post your services. First, Fiverr.com. You can sign up for free and start listing your services. Next, Upwork. Commerce, same deal. Create a free account and post your gigs. Lastly, Facebook groups. Find groups related to your service. For example, if you're offering logo design services, search for graphic design groups on Facebook. Post in the groups and include a link to your portfolio. Make sure to follow the group rules. Offer your first few clients a small discount in exchange for a review. This builds credibility fast. Lastly, it's time to scale. Step 5. Scale to $1,000 a month. Now here's the magic. You only need to charge $50 per project and get 20 clients a month to make $1,000. That's only 2 to 3 hours of work a day. The AI does most of the heavy lifting, and you can easily increase your prices once you're getting consistent 5-star reviews. To track your progress, I recommend using a simple spreadsheet like this one. Here's an example. Track your clients, their projects, the income from each, and keep track of your expenses. If you're serious about making this work, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. So there you have it. You now have the step-by-step blueprint to build a $1,000 a month side hustle using free AI apps. You don't need to wait any longer. Start today. Remember, even small changes like dedicating 2 to 3 hours a day can lead to big results. As always, all the resources will be listed below. And I'm eager to see your journey. Share your progress in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep hustling.